Yeah, what'd you just do?
Got to farm some chickens and some hens and some cock-a-doodle-doos. Got some roosters and got some hens.
22 altogether.
22 altogether with the homestead, you know what I'm saying?
We went at night to pick up the chickens because it's less stress on them and easier to catch since they're already in their nest roosting. Careful.
I can't see.
I think that's a rooster.
Get him there. That's the big baby. That's the big
Oh, that's my big one right there.
Is that all the roosters or no?
No. I think there's 7 of them. Our friends Luke and Felicity were nice enough to bless us with their flock of chickens.
Rooster?
Yeah, virus.
She said, oh yeah, virus. Get your ass on.
Shadow. Shadow, he's a good boy.
Here we finally got the chickens all loaded up. And now we are unloading them. We're back home and getting them unloaded and getting them into their chicken house. Oh, look, everyone's down on the ground. You need some help? We got the chickens unloaded and in their house and all locked up for the evening. And this is the next morning. Where's she at? There she is. So we had an escape artist this morning. She said, "You're not keeping me cooped up for 24 hours. She don't seem to mind it's a new place at all. She don't mind the dogs. Yeah, she's trying to get in for sure. Aww. Hi, baby. There you go. Go on around. Keep going. There you go. Where'd she go?
On this side with the boys. She's gonna be stuck now.
Yep.
Keep going there with him. Huh? It's fucking hard catching this dip.
Oh no. There you go. little escape artist. Yay! Chicken wrangler. Why did they lay on my boy? He's all the way on the bottom. He's alright. Alright, guys. Just for today. I'm going to keep him in there 24 hours and then let him go.
Just for today. I like it. She's nice.
Yeah, she's really cool. I wish she would come out. You could see her more. She's got like crab legs that have stripes on them. And she's got like a neon yellow checkerboard on her back. She's really neat. She's not going to. I'm guessing she's spinning her web for her babies. On this day, we are reinforcing the chicken coop, making sure our lovely ladies can't get out.
Is he going down?
Yeah, it is.
Put your hands. You want this all the way down? On the ground?
It's supposed to be, but... Alright. I think that'll hold just fine. All right, today's the day.
Chickens! Good morning, chickens!
Get them all looking at you. That's hilarious.
Come on, chicks. Come on,
Come on, tick, 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 ticks.
Come on, chicks.
Chickens are so happy. They're taking a dust bath. The three pretty boys stand and watch. I think they like their new house. They're up there roosting. It's about 9:30 in the morning. That's so neat. I love it.
That's sweet. Yeah, they're on top of the pig. We put it. I put it
Mhm.
there.
Look at it. I can't see it in the video, but his tail feathers are so pretty.
I know. Look at the other one in there.
Oh, look at my big boy. He's right there. Oh, looking pretty. Oh, there he goes. You got a good shot of him there. I got two this morning. Chick, 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 chick.
You got two of them? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Next thing on the agenda today, to feed these birds for the second time because I got one up here on the house, on their house. I think this is our friend Felicity's favorite one. This is not the first time she's been up here. There she went. Oh, looks like I have one in there. Come on. Go to the next dog. She's following us while we feed the dogs. The girls have called her Snickers. She's following the girls and I while we feed the animals, feed the dogs. Haha, boo boo.
Her face is really good. It ain't barking or anything.
Get one, Sophia. Hey, there you go. Good job. I see you.
I got the gray one.
Yeah, got a big rooster.
I want to try and get a rooster.
Oh.
You just gotta let me get him first. I want to hold him too. Put him down. I want to hold him. Like I'm carrying like a baby.
That's pretty neat. He's not squawking or nothing.
No. He's not walking.
That's a little girl. You got a little girl. She's scared. Put her down. Put her down. There you go.
Oh, he doesn't even care.
She should like snatch them up, just be snatching them up.
Just snatch them up. They don't care.
That one's a pretty one.
He sees everybody else. He's higher now.
All right.
Bye, buddy. Come on, buddy.
Alright, watch out, Sophia.
Watch out, Sophia. Sophia, quit.
The hen don't like to be picked up.
No, he don't like me. He likes me. I'm a walk chicken.
I'm a walk chicken.
They smell. Woo. Don't sniff them. We come out here every night whenever
Thank you.
Stop.
Their feet feel like scales.
Put them down, girls. Let's go.
Bye, bye,
Let's let them get their water before they all try getting out. Get my bucket, please.
Pick them up.
I see you.
That was.
All right, put him down, honey.
What did you pee on her?
All right, come on. Sophia, no. Let's go.
Alright, bye bye, chickens.
You could definitely stand at my
That was fun.
We want to thank you all for watching. Please, if you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe, and if you'd like, leave us a comment. We hope to see you all in the next video. God bless.